Welcome, everyone is an HTC Desire 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. Now to get started, hold the power key, and then once you see the boot options, you want to hold power off. This will bring up a window reboot to safe mode, and as you can see, it will give you a message, do you want to reboot into safe mode, that this will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. So basically anything that you have installed will be all disabled. I'll confirm it by tapping on OK, and simply wait for the device to reboot. Once it has, you'll see a watermark in the bottom left corner of the device saying safe mode to state that well, it is in the desired mode. And as you can see now that the device is back on, you can see this message right here. So it is now in the desired mode. Now once you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold the power key and select restart, and when the device boots back up, it will be back in normal mode. And as you can see now that the device is back on, it is back in the normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.